Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making safety and legal steps explicit. Have the refrigerant recovered by a certified tech because you cannot vent R134A. Once done, disconnect the negative battery and wear eye protection. Raise the car and remove the serpentine belt to free the compressor. This gives you access. Make sure to label and photograph hose locations and electrical connectors so you don't mix parts later. Now unplug the compressor clutch connector and remove the low and high side lines from the compressor, capping lines immediately to limit contamination. With the belt off and lines capped, unbolt the compressor from its bracket while supporting it to prevent strain on hoses. Once free, lower the old unit and inspect the clutch and pulley assembly. If worn, swap components to the new compressor. Replace every O-ring with new ones lubricated with correct PAG oil and measure oil into the new compressor to match factory charge. Make sure to follow factory torque specs for mounting bolts and clean flare surfaces to ensure leak-free connections before reinstallation. Install the new compressor, reconnect both the /C lines and electrical connectors, then torque bolts to spec and reinstall the serpentine belt. Next, attach manifold gauges and evacuate the system with a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture and air, then charge with the specified R134A refrigerant amount and the correct oil. Start the engine and run a /C, watching pressures and outlet temperature to verify cooling. If things go wrong, if no clutch engagement or abnormal noise, check fuses, relay, wiring continuity, and refrigerant level before assuming mechanical failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.